Welcome back. Let's take you to Uganda now, where mass testing for COVID-19 at a state prison in the north of the country has left authorities worried. According to the country's Ministry of Health, the tests revealed 152 new infections, and that number accounts for the majority of cases reported by the country's health ministry in a single day. CGTN's Ssenyange now reports.
The large cluster of cases was found through mass testing of inmates at a government prison in northern Uganda. 152 inmates and one staff member were found to be positive for coronavirus. The number is close to half of the 318 confirmed cases reported by the ministry on Saturday. It is the highest number of new infections reported in a single day.
It is possible that a prisoner from a Muru community could have been taken to the prison with infection while asymptomatic. In any case, Amuru district is one of the hotspot districts with a high level of community transmission.
All the confirmed cases from the prison have been transferred to an auxiliary isolation facility where they are being attended to by a medical team. Authorities say 27 prison staff are also under quarantine. The COVID-19 cases may be more pronounced in one correction center in the north of the country, but the worst is feared for several others as prison population continues to surge. According to authorities, the number of inmates has jumped more than 10% since March. There are roughly 64,000 inmates in the system. Medical conditions and food practices have improved, but facilities remain congested.
We continue to get prisoners from the courts. Probably what I would urge is that the judiciary should only send those who should be in prison, not petty offenders. They should send those who are a danger to society. Those are the ones who should be behind bars, especially at this critical time of this pandemic.
Transmission rates are also on the rise outside prison walls. The capital Kampala registered 342 cases last week.
This virus is exploiting every possible means to infect and kill. And it is a virus which asks all of us to obey certain measures to prevent ourselves and the community.
Last month, the government eased some of its lockdown restrictions that have been in place since March. Businesses and public transport are in operation with safety guidelines like wearing masks and keeping social distance being enforced. But with the spike, authorities say a second lockdown is a possibility. Ssenyange, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.